Top 3 cordless vacuum cleaners compared: Dyson v15 Detect, Shark Stratos, and Tineco Pure 1 S11. Cordless vacuum cleaners have become a must-have for efficient, hassle-free cleaning. The Dyson v15 Detect stands out as a leader in the segment, but two strong competitors, the Shark Stratos cordless vacuum and the Tineco Pure 1 S11, offer great alternatives. Let's compare these three models by highlighting their pros and cons to help you make the best choice. 1. The Dyson v15 Detect Cordless Vacuum. Price: $600. Pros. Laser technology. The V15's laser illuminates microscopic dust particles on hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean. Smart optimization. Its advanced sensors adjust suction power based on the type and amount of debris, optimizing both cleaning performance and battery life. Powerful suction. With 230 attawatts of suction power, it handles tough cleaning tasks with ease. Advanced display. The LCD screen provides real-time updates on particle sizes, battery life, and cleaning mode. Cons. High price. The v15 Detect is one of the most expensive cordless vacuums, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Weight. At over 6 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which can be an issue during extended cleaning sessions. 2. The Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. Price: $350. Pros. Dual cleaning technology. The Shark Stratos combines a soft roller for hard floors with a brush roll for carpets, making it versatile across surfaces. Odor neutralizer technology. Built-in technology helps eliminate odors during cleaning, a unique feature for pet owners. Ease of use. It includes a flexible wand that makes it easier to reach under furniture, and the LED headlights help spot hidden debris. Price point. Significantly cheaper than the Dyson v15 Detect while still offering powerful cleaning capabilities. Cons. Battery life. The runtime, at around 40 minutes, is shorter than that of the Dyson v15. Bulkier design. While effective, its slightly bulkier build makes it less portable and harder to store compared to slimmer models. 3. The Tineco Pure 1 S11 Cordless Vacuum. Price: $300. Pros. Smart sensor technology. The iLoop sensor automatically adjusts suction based on debris levels, conserving battery and ensuring effective cleaning. Lightweight design. At only 3.5 pounds, it's one of the lightest in its class, making it ideal for quick cleanups or cleaning in tight spaces. Affordable price. It delivers premium features like smart sensors and LED lighting at a mid-range price. Quiet operation. The S11 is quieter than most other cordless vacuums, making it suitable for homes with children or pets. Cons. Suction power. While adequate for everyday use, its suction power, 120 attawatts, is weaker than the Dyson v15 Detect and Shark Stratos. Smaller dustbin. The dustbin capacity is lower, requiring frequent emptying during larger cleaning jobs. Conclusion. The Dyson v15 Detect reigns supreme in terms of cutting-edge technology, suction power, and precision cleaning. However, the Shark Stratos cordless vacuum offers a compelling alternative for those seeking versatility and affordability. For lightweight convenience and smart features at a lower price, the Tineco Pure 1 S11 is an excellent choice. Ultimately, your pick will depend on your budget, cleaning needs, and preference for specific features like laser detection or lightweight design. Please refer to the thumbnail links in the description below for further information about each product. Like and subscribe.